Stop. I love my songs. My songs are the best. Here we go. Here's one more song.
No. Okay, guys, leave a like. Okay, stop. Stop it. Yeah. Guys, leave a like if the songs parts are annoying, please. And subscribe if part is annoying, please.
What? Subscribe if I'm annoying.
Yes, you are annoying. All of your songs are annoying, right, guys?
Songs are annoying, guy.
Okay. You're going to be a ballerina. You want to be a ballerina? Don't do it. No, you're not doing it. No. Wait, guys. Teevy.
Hey, I got Georgie. Let's go for a ride, Georgie.
That's a kitty.
No, it's George.
No. That's... No! That's wrong. I shouldn't have watched that. Just look at the cat. Just look at the cat. It's a cat.
Joe Frog.
What's more important, Georgie or Joe Frog?
Joe
Why? Why is he more important?
Frog must die.
But why? You're Thanos.
That's why he must die.
Well, he's the children of yours. He's the children of yours. You know that? You know that?
He is a child of Thanos. A child of Thanos.
Or maybe a child. Hey, look.
Blow him up and kill him. Once and for all.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. No! I destroyed him! Look! Look at his bones!
Nice.
Wait, no, I want his skull.
Can you stop falling down all the time? You're supposed to be the all-powerful Thanos.
You're not a powerful Thanos. Oh no. Ah! It just glitched! It just glitched. Where are you going?
I just want to go for a ride.
No! Where's Joe Frog's skull? I want it. Probably the explosion just...
What happened to Pig Newton?
He's right there.
That's not Pig Newton. I want Pig Newton as a pig, not as a person pig.
Well, they did...
Like Pig Newton walking around like a person pig.
Well, they did change the update, so now... Wait a second.
The update is kind of garbage.
What do you mean the update? It's kind of garbage. Don't...
They took away Pig Newton.
Oh, frogs out. Oh, it's my gun! No! Come on. No! It's mine! Mine. Oh, I got an AK-47. Go in the toilet because you stink. Yeah! Yeah, you got the gun! Yeah!
Retreat!
Thanos doesn't retreat. Where? Why won't you snap your fingers? I have the power gem. You will never steal it from me. You know that, Thanos? I have the power stone. You have all of the stones, but not the power stone.
What are you talking about?
You have all 5 stones, but you don't have the power stone. I have it. It is in my gun. It's in my gun. Okay, I want that frog's afro, please. Yeah. Now I'm gonna defeat you. Where are you? I see ya. Oh, I see ya.
I would be able to find one. Boy.
You think so?
Boy.
You think so? How do you know? You're looking at my screen. Stop looking at me. It's not fair. You're cheating.
I'll never be able to find.
Wait, what's in that orilla? Sorry, I said that guy. there. Don't it?
Nowhere where you can find peace.
Oh, bye. I'm going on a vacation.
Yeah.
I ain't going in a vacation without you. Because you... Yeah, without you.
I'm on board.
What do you mean? That's the boringest thing ever! And you're super slow. Oh no, I'm in the passenger seat. Why? America doesn't drive in the right seat. Okay, I'm going to score. Score with a car. I'm going to score with a car. No! Yes!
Will you calm down?
Okay, finally.
I hear your voice all the way over here, and I'm just trying to work. I told you. I couldn't even work because of your scream.
Keep screaming.
Oh,
Keep screaming.
night.
And I know where you are.
Excellent. Come and fight. Now, will you love me?
But
Oh.
you know that you're going to explode yourself. Oh no, I crashed. Bye. Bye, Dados. You'll never.
You're gonna need.
You don't know where I am. Oh no. Oh no. He's gonna get a bomb. He's gonna get a bomb. Get him. Wait, why are you not getting the bomb? No. Run! You wanna run in my hole? Oh, where's the bomb? Whoa.
Missed.
Yeah, because. Oh no! Yes! 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 Now you'll never get it. There it goes. Oh no!
Get out! Get out! Get out!
There you go. There we go. Now you'll never get it. Da. You're going the opposite way, and I'm sitting on it. La 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 la.
Time to die.
Nope. No! Get it out! Bailey! No! I'm stuck! No! No!
That is what your parents does.
You wanna get him and steal the power stone from him?
I already have the power, that's why I have infinity gauntlet.
Where's your
That's
infinity?
why I am the strongest, most powerful turtle.
What do you
Wait a
mean?
minute, I'm a turtle.
You're not a turtle, you're a frog.
Frog. Oh, man. Well, I guess I'm just.
Oh no. Ah! No! No, I'm stuck!
You want to die in it?
No! You're gonna die. Ah! No. Nope. You're gonna get No! I didn't get exploded. I'm just gonna sleep here forever. I'm just gonna sleep here forever. Why am I holding this? With my shield.
It feels great to be back.
Ah, no! I exploded myself. Ow. No, no. Alright. No. Yay! Yes! Exploded them with an explosive. Yeah, that's what you get. You try to explode me with a bomb. Bombs don't affect me.
Actually,
They do. No, they don't. Okay, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you, man. Brother, no! No! I Until next time. Later, guys. If Thanos wants the radio, if Thanos wants the radio, then we'll explode it again. You hear me?